next question, question number 3. Question number 3 says, for instance, I have a set of numbers written this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it stops at 7 in Microsoft Word. How do I copy directly to Excel in such a way that each number occupies a single cell? This is actually very possible. How do we get this done? Now, if you want the number to be horizontally, I'm going to use a method for you. Then if you want it to be vertically, I'm also going to use another method so that it can be vertically. So let's say we want the number to be horizontally. This is the number here. Then I'm going to copy it from wherever it is. You copy the number, then you move to your Microsoft Excel. Let me zoom my page so that I want it to be very visible. So let's say I copy it into cell A1 and I paste. So after pasting, you are going to see it this way. So after you have seen it this way, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on data on your tabs here. So when you click on data, you come here where we have text to columns. So where we have text to column, you click on it. Then your selection is on delimited. Up here, this is delimited. So you leave it on delimited and you click on next. Then you will now check on comma here. You must make sure you check on the comma. So after you have checked the comma, then you now click on finish. So you can see it has separated the numbers into different columns for you. That's how to separate the numbers into different columns. Now, if you want it to be horizontally, what you are going to do is that from your Microsoft Word here, you are going to press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. Then you are going to type here comma at the front of find words. Then at the front of replace with, you are going to type P. You are going to type caret P. So let me try to zoom it so that we can see it better. Let me put on my magnifier. I want us to see this very well. Now, so you can see this is the, after pressing Ctrl+H, you are going to see this. So you put your comma here, comma goes in here, then here at the front of replace with, you choose caret P. Then you now click on replace all. As you do that, you can see all done. You will see the adjustment immediately made for you. So let me take this back to 100. Now you close this. Now let me scroll up. You can see the arrangement. It has changed from comma to what? It has aligned it horizontally. Then you are going to now copy. You are going to copy it like this. So click on your copy or Ctrl+C or whatever. Then you now go back to Microsoft Excel. When you get to Microsoft Excel, you click into the cell you want to paste it and you just paste. As soon as you click on paste, it's going to align it vertically. That's how to get the numbers aligned or pasted vertically in different cells. Thank you. See you in my next video.